To all the people asking me what do, I bring it to the boil and just let it simmer. Here I have my pan and everything I need, and I'm on a journey of cooking amazing food by the fire at gatherings and sharing good food, good ancestral word, good song, drumming, vibe, ritual, ceremony, and prayer. See you by the fire.
Viva la vida, live your life, live your life. شوف صوتك بس خيوثا وداخل خقلم صو مصطفى قاهم تلقلن
دابش دابش